How to change Uber Eats address. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can easily change your delivery address on Uber Eats. For that, you need to go ahead and open your Uber Eats application and log into your account. Now in the top left corner, there you will see your location. Simply tap on it. Now, simply go ahead and use the search bar in the top and search for an address. You can enter your new address or choose from your saved addresses as well. Once you're done choosing your place, also choose your building, either it's house, flat, office, hotel, or other. Enter your building type, your flat or suite or floor, your business or building name. You can also enter the drop-off options like the instructions for the delivery person and also select the address label and then tap on save and continue. There you can see that my location from Chicago has been changed to San Francisco. So you can't directly change the delivery address after placing an order. However, you can use the in-app chat to send the driver new directions or cancel the order and reorder with the correct address if cancellation is permitted. So always double check the address and map in before confirming your order. Provide delivery notes for hard to find locations, example get codes or apartment numbers. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.